Okay,
Is it-
it's recording now?
Miss English is already here.
Thank you. Would Mariah Ewing and Michael Petralio please come up? Good morning. I truly believe that people may not remember what we say, but they will surely remember how we made them feel. And I have Michael and Mariah in my class the same period. They are good friends. They're in the same class. And yesterday, I want to tell you a story. Another student came up to me and said, you know, when I was in the 4th grade, I had a really terrible year. I was failing all my classes. I was terrible at PE. I couldn't do any sports. No one liked me. And I just didn't feel very good about myself. But he said, you know, this year, I am having such a great year. I do well in PE. I'm doing well in all my classes. And I have friends. And they think that I'm nice. And I was thinking to myself, well, that's great. That's great, I told them. And quietly, I thought also, that is due in large part to the influence that these two young people have on that particular class. I told him, you know, I really encouraged him and told him to go out and make it a nice day for everybody else too. And when we talk about caring, we're certainly talking about thinking of others, protecting others, helping others, paying attention to others, all of these things. But we're also talking about diligence. And what I mean by that is that watchful, conscientious effort to do something exactly right. And that's what Michael and Mariah do every single day. Mariah will make sure she's doing her best in class, and by doing so, she will literally pull others in the same direction. I've seen it happen, okay? She works very hard and she is extremely competitive, but never at the expense of somebody else, never. Michael will put his team ahead of his own ambitions, and like Mariah, understands that if another person feels included and valued as part of the group, that he or she will surely contribute the best that they can. And Michael will be the first person in class to complete his daily run, unless Mariah beats him. Okay, that's the way it works. And as soon as they're done, of their own volition, they stand there and congratulate every single person who finishes and tells them that they did a good job. This has nothing to do with me. This is how they are, okay? People will remember how you made them feel. And I want to thank Michael and Mariah for making everyone feel good. And the best part is, I know that that makes them feel good too. So let's congratulate both of them.
Okay, another caring teacher.
Great.
Miss Mulvihill.